Looking to detox your body, boost your immune system, and give it a good dose of nutrients? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we are committed to bringing you science-based nutrition and incorporate it into tasty and healthy recipes. Today we're going to be making an immune-boosting, nutrient-dense celery juice. In your juicer, add 10 stalks of celery or a celery bunch. And if you don't have a juicer, simply chop up your celery and add it to your high-speed blender. Now you really need to be sure to use organic celery to avoid hormone-disruptive pesticides that just wreak havoc on your gut health. Celery has a host of health benefits, including disease-fighting antioxidants, powerful digestive support, hydration, younger-looking skin, and it's loaded with nutrients. Next, let's add in 1 organic lemon, including the peel. But if you're using a blender, you may want to remove the peel just to make it easier to blend up. Lemons are so good for your immune system because they are bursting with vitamin C. That got a little bit messy. That's okay. So last we're going to add in about 2 inches of fresh ginger root. I probably have a little bit more than 2 inches because I love ginger. Ginger is so good in supporting your digestive system. If you would prefer to have a sweeter juice, just add in 1 Granny Smith apple. And if you're using a blender instead of a juicer, this is when you want to blend everything up really well. If you're having problems though, you can always add in just a little bit of filtered water and that should make it a lot easier. Once it's blended up really well, then you can filter it through a sieve, or you can just use a nut milk bag. And you just want to squeeze the juice out as much as you can, and there you go. I've got 2 last ingredients to add to our juice. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, that is really great at regulating blood sugar levels. To give our juice an extra boost of nutrients, I'm going to add in a scoop of our organic greens. This consists of 14 sprouted, fermented superfoods and botanicals, and it's so good for your immune system, for detoxifying the body. It increases your mental clarity, and it gives you a little bit of energy too. So this is really great to prepare in the morning. Whisk together your ingredients really well. Okay, let's give this celery juice a try. This organic green sometimes can fall to the bottom, so when you're drinking it, you're going to want to keep stirring it up. So let's see. That's really nice. It's not overpowering in any flavor. I definitely taste the lemon. The celery is more subtle, but it's kind of salty flavor, so it's going to feel really hydrating in the body. This is so good for you, so healthy, such a great way to start your day. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know how it goes for you. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel because I'm here every week with a new, healthy, and tasty recipe. I'll see you next week.